Hey, what's up, you guys? Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I originally planned to sit down and film a Valentine's look. I realized tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So I highly doubt I'm gonna be able to get this edited up by Valentine's Day, but I still wanna play around with some pinks, some reds, some purples, do something fun, just get a little creative with it. I'm excited to jump in today's video and have some fun with it. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm the J from AJM Beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and we're gonna jump right into this video because it might take me a while to do this look, so I wanna go ahead and just hop right in. I'm mainly going to be using the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star, of course, but I might jump into the iconic James Charles palette if I feel it necessary. I also have my trusty Jacqueline. But yeah, I'm sure you guys are like, oh my god, there she goes again. Just all the YouTubers just, YouTuber this, YouTuber that. Well, you know what? I like YouTube. Get over it. If you don't like it, go to a different channel. Just kidding. Stay here, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can know every time that we make a new video. We need you. So I'm thinking I'm gonna actually go into James's palette first, and I'm gonna dip into this little matte shade down at the bottom. Pinkity drinkity. God, I should know that. I get pink drinks all the time. I'm gonna dip into that, and I'm kind of just gonna put it all over the lid. I'm just gonna take this little fluffy brush that I've actually been in love with lately. It's by Luxie, and it's a 110 brush. Okay, so I'm just putting pinkity drinkity all over the lid, into the brow bone, just as my transition. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to a bigger, more fluffy brush. Okay, and then I'm gonna hop into Blood Sugar, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Tongue Pop, which, I don't know about y'all, but I cannot do a tongue pop. I just spit it. So I'm gonna dip into Tongue Pop. I'm gonna focus this mainly in the crease, but I'm not gonna be like super precise with it or anything. That's why I have the like giant fluffy brush that I'm using. I'm hoping that that brown, ooh, pigment, okay. I kind of want to drag this out just a little bit, so I think I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm just going to dip back into the James Charles palette with Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm just going to buff out all the edges of everything. We'll go ahead and take a smaller, fluffier brush. Still not going to be super precise, and we're going to dip into Cavity, which is like a bright pink moment right here. And I'm going to tuck that into the crease. Ooh, peach. Whoa. Oh, wow, Jeffree Queen. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to kind of drag out just a smidge. And then I'm just going to use that same brush that I was using before, that big fluffy brush, and go back into Tongue Pop, and just a little bit, nothing too crazy. We don't need anything too crazy. And I'm just going to bring back whatever we might have lost by adding in Cavity. So I am gonna dip into the shade Root Canal, which on camera looks a lot brighter, I feel like. And I'm gonna get a smaller, not so fluffy brush, a more tapered brush, and I'm gonna tuck this in the crease. I'm gonna be a lot more precise with this purple shade and not let it get above the crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna use that same brush I was using before. We're gonna dip back into cavity, that pink shade, that hot pink shade, and do the same technique that we did before with the tongue pop shade. And I'm just gonna kind of get this right into that crease, up on the brow bone a little bit, so we don't lose that pink. We're gonna dip back into the tongue pop shade with the fluffy brush. I still have a little pigment of the purple, the root canal shade, and then just back into the crease on this side to bring back that purple. But like, I'm kind of living for this. I just want to kind of like get in a little bit closer to you guys so you can kind of see the tea. There we go. That's really pretty so far. So I kind of want to take a brush that just doesn't have any product on it, and I'm just going to kind of like blend out my edges a little bit. Yeah, I think that that looks really nice. I'm kind of living for this. And then we're going to start taking some more precise brushes and really packing in that color, these darker colors. We're gonna use a lot of colors today, by the way. Like, I'm going for it. I'm living my best life. What do you want from me? So I'm gonna use this brush right here. I don't even know the name of it or anything, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna dip into Fresh Meat, which looks to me like a dark burgundy shade. So I'm hoping this won't be a mistake, but we're gonna find out. And I'm just gonna pack that on the outer portion of my lid. I don't hate it, but I also don't love it either. Yeah, I'm not in love with that. So I kind of want to go into the shade Extraction. I almost called it Extraction. Wow, I'm an idiot. I'm gonna go in with that and do the same thing that I just did, but just with that shade instead, because it has more purples in it, I feel like. And then I'm just gonna grab that favorite brush of mine again, dip back into the root canal, and then the same technique we've been doing, you guys. I'm just gonna dip a little bit into that root canal and right back into that crease so that we don't lose that purple. And then same thing again, I'm gonna take that take the empty brush, the brush with no product on it, and I'm just gonna blend where necessary. Okay, and then I'm gonna take an even more tiny, precise brush, this one, and we're gonna dip into, I think I'm gonna do Coma. It's like a dark purple. And we're just going to put that on the very outer edge just to give it a little more definition. I think as far as mattes go, I think I'm kind of like just done. I'm done with mattes. So now I'm gonna take a flat packing brush when I find it. I think I'm gonna go into the James Charles palette and I'm gonna use Artistry in the center of my lid, and then Candy Floss from the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette in the inner corner, not inner corner, but inner portion of my lid. Okay, so we're gonna dip into Artistry. Wait a second. Okay, literally, I just dipped in. I don't know if it's this brush. I really hate this brush. That's why I use this one for concealing my brows, but literally there's like nothing. Oh no, honey. No, 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 no. You know what? We're just gonna try to use my finger for Artistry, and we're gonna place this on the center of my lid. Very pretty on camera. I don't know if you can see that. We're gonna try this brush and we're gonna try some. Am I tripping? Like, so we're gonna spritz first and then dip in. You guys, I'm not living for that. Ooh. Not living for that. No, 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 no. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time.
On this portion right here, there's like a patch and it won't stick on my lid right there for some reason. I don't know if you guys can see that. Versus on this side, it looks fine. This side looks good. This side,
I just, maybe, okay, I'll try to dip into the Jacqueline one and see if that will help at all. But that's not the kind of color that I was trying to, Still getting some fallout. For lack of better words, I am not happy right now. Okay, we're gonna try to save this, you guys. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm gonna try to kind of mold it. We're gonna take the Jacqueline shade, and it's pretty dark, so I'm gonna bring it. I'm upset. I'm upset. I'm upset. We're just gonna bring this a little bit more to the outer lid area. Ooh, honey. Ooh, it was so pretty. It was so freaking pretty. It was so pretty. No pigment on this brush. Okay, it's starting to come together a little bit. That's better. Definitely better. Am I living? No, I'm not. I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay, so artistry was a no for me. Maybe it needs like a glitter glue or something of that nature, but I've effectively put so much pigment on all my flat brushes that now I will have to use my fingers on candy floss and do my inner corner, so that's great. Okay, I'll use my pinky. I'm gonna, dip into candy floss and honey. Oh my God, so much just came off of that. Candy floss just saved this look for me. Oh, that shade is creamy, like literally so creamy. That I don't hate. I really don't hate that. I think that that's really, really pretty. Lower lash line time. Okay, so I kind of want to dip into Skip from the James Charles palette and run that along my lower lash line. This looks very pigmented, you guys. Very, very pigmented. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a little brushy flat. Let's just go ahead and we'll dip into Single, which is this shade right next to Skip in the James Charles palette. It's a purple shade. Just go ahead and dip into that gal right there. And I'm just gonna stamp this on the outer corner, lower lash line. Okay, and now we're gonna go with an inner corner highlight little moment. You know what, we'll go into the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th shade, and I'll put that on my inner corner. We'll see how that goes. If I don't like it though, you already know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna end up putting Beam. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, but then I'm still gonna put a little touch of Beam. Cause I gotta be that base bitch, you know what I'm saying? There we go, yeah, queen. I've been living for doing like a white matte on my brow bone instead of like an actual highlight shade on my brow bone. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dip into Glucose, which is this matte white shade in the Blood Sugar palette. And we're just gonna place that right on the brow bone there. Okay, I think this is it. This is the eye look all finished. I have a little bit of fallout, so let's get that real quick. Get that real quick, yeah. You guys, this is the finished eye look. And I have to say, I live for almost every single shade, like excuse me. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back with the final look. Ah! Nigel, stop it. Say hello, everyone. Say hello. Hi, I'm a star. I'm a little star. Anyways, I am back with the final look. These lips though, you guys, I was trying to find a reason to use this lipstick that I have, which I'm probably gonna end up, which I'm probably gonna end up giving away to somebody because I probably will never ever wear this pink again unless it's for another look for the channel like I did today. But I thought it was pretty fitting to go with the pink kind of vibe or feel to it. So I really liked that. Sorry, my rat's like running around. But this is the final look. I really, really love how it turned out. I will get in nice and close for you guys. You go cute. Oh. Ooh, can we talk about that highlight though? That's that Kylie. Is the pink, I feel like, is a little too much for my taste, but it does go with the look, so you know, like, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I really enjoyed creating this look, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. If you did, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, and since you're already here, you might as well subscribe. You might as well hit the notification bell so that you can know every time that we make another video and post it on YouTube. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys have any any kind of looks that you guys want to see us create or do, please let us know in the comments down below. We want to know what you guys want to see, and we'll try to do some more creative looks. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and I will see you in the next one. It's hot in here. It's hot. Like, I've got to turn the AC on. I'm hot and ready to jump. Oh, 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 I just poked myself in the eye. Ooh.
I don't know if it's focusing. Are you gonna focus? Bring it back out. Bring it back in.
What am I doing? I'm a mess now. I'm a mess. Give me some more coffee. That coffee's cold. Ugh. Oh, I keep getting it in my eyeball. On the brow bone instead of like an actual highlight on the brow bone. Oh, that was horrible. I'm gonna start over. Where is my paper towel? Hold on. Hold on.